What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrenching Wrecked. It is Thanksgiving morning, and I'm waiting on people to show up at the house for some dinner, or lunch, or well, how does that even work? Thanksgiving festivities, let's call it that. I spent most of the night, the other night, messing around on this bike with the handlebar swap. We did clutch lever, and I'm still waiting on the new throttle tube. So I got the little insert for the Mikuni specific. I got a brand new cable too. But I don't know if I want to use that because this cable is actually in pretty good shape. Got lots to do on this, but this is on pause. Also reassembled the Holley. So on this one, I didn't do a detailed video, just threw a little time lapse up there. Filmed it. I didn't feel like walking through it. There's a million other people that are much more well-versed than I am in terms of setting up a Holley and doing it proper. But we have this all dialed. I believe it's got 67 or 72, one of those two, for the main jets. I wrote it on here somewhere, I thought. I don't remember. 72s, I think, is the remnants of what's on there. But we got this all back together, minus the choke. Still gotta put the choke assembly on. I might have misplaced it somewhere. I have another one I can use on the car too, but there's that. So sit back, enjoy if you want to watch it. Try to add in some tunes on there for you, and we'll be back after.
I signed my name on a dotted line, and it was good, good, good. The cows got milked at supper time, and it was good, good, good. The moon twinkled high in the southern sky, and it was good, good, good. Now the honeymoon's over, it just up and died, but it was good, good, good. All the good times and the bad, the best times I ever had. The choice between happy and sad, all the good times and the bad, bad, bad. Morning dust cooed on the power lines, and it was good, good, good. I was chewing on a straw, just passing my time, and it was good, good, good. She was way past good, she was really fine, and it was good, good, good. But she lost the grip on the hands of time, but it was good, good, good. All the good times and the bad, the best times I ever had. The choice between happy and sad, all the good times and the bad, bad, bad. Caught up in the moment we tied the knot, it was good, good, good. Well, she stuck like a donut in the bottom of my gut, and it was good, good, good. Half a dozen years it was heavenly bliss, and it was good, good, good. But I passed on her tears and a pausing kiss, and it was good, good, good. All the good times and the bad, the best times I ever had. The choice between happy and sad, all the good times and the bad, bad, bad. the good times and the bad, the best times I ever had. The choice between happy and sad, all the good times and the bad, bad, bad.
And just like that, with a little bit of movie magic and some speed up time, and hope you enjoyed the song. Holley is back together. This is ready to go on the Falcon. I have no intention of throwing this back on anytime soon, so this will go into the future me pile right behind the intake manifold that needs to be ported on the other half. Only did half of it. But it's Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna go eat some food. We'll catch you guys on the next one.